Today I'm going to talk to you about our snot bomb. Hi everyone. You know, when you come home and your sinuses are full of nastiness and you've got that throbbing headache, your body's aching, all you want is a lovely hot shower. Well, have I got something for you. This is our snot bomb. This green pill of magic is full of essential oils that are going to help you release those stuffed sinuses, open up your airways and help you with that headache. The aches and pains, that's what the hot water is going to do for you. So how do you use these things? Put them in the corner of your shower on the floor is a great one, or into the soap dish. That's a really lovely, another good spot. Or if you really want to have a full-on effect and use it all in one go, straight in underneath the shower stream is perfect. You'll get the whole thing going on off all at once. I like to use it over 2 or 3 nights, so I tend to put mine in the bottom of the corner of the shower and just sprinkle a bit of water on it as needed. Beautiful, beautiful scent. Remember, don't leave the fan on. Turn that fan off, because then you'll get a much better effect. So that's our snot bomb, our little green pill of magic. And of course, we give you how to use it on our fact sheet when you order one online or come into the cottage. So snot bomb, enjoy it. Bye guys.